Tired of opening every record just to change one field? Enable inline editing in Salesforce in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find this hidden setting and how to turn it on in just a few clicks. First, click on the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full configuration menu. Now, type User Interface into the Quick Find box to filter the setup options. Scroll down through the results until you see the User Interface heading. Make sure it's not the first one listed. Under that section, check the box labeled Enable Inline Editing to turn on the feature. Finally, scroll down and click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.